Right. Streaming. Cool. Looks good. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to start adding more and more features to, and let me pull up the chat. Here we go. Cool. More and more features to Fuse. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to evaluate long videos and short videos. So Nick, Julia. And so we started doing this, but come on, there we go. And going up in subscriber count a little bit. We're going to clean up some metrics, but actually what we're going to do now is you can see we have a lot of long form videos here, which is great, but oh, that's weird. Oh, I guess it just defaults to, okay, I got to change that. In any case, what we're going to do here is we're now going to make sure that these long forms are actually long forms. Like this one, for example, is definitely not long form. So we have to do something better to sort our short videos. And so that's the goal of today's video. Like, let's get that piece up and running. So evaluate how we are assessing if a video is a YouTube short. Currently, we are not correctly categorizing videos as shorts. After you tell me how we are doing this, I'll come up with a little something on the screen. Key suggestions as to how we can improve. Okay. And I have an idea already that, okay, so we have a duration check, which makes sense, right? If it's under 60 seconds, it's probably a short. Yep, that works. And then if YouTube Shorts appears in the descriptions, Shorts in the video ID, aspect check. If it, no, is greater than its width. Okay, but here's the problem. Duration, where the, okay. First, need to consider the actual video dimensions. Not the thumbnail. Second, we need to update the video service transformation. Also suggest more improvements. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, add support for shorts. Yes, thank you. Okay. let's see. Yeah. Hey, Satoshi. How are you doing? Yeah, thanks. I like the UI. Nice and clean is the goal, and we're going to add to it. So it's actually going to get a little more complicated, which, for good or bad, but we'll kind of clean it up. All right, what am I doing? Video TS. Moink. Okay, let's apply that. Video service, which should be here. Why are you telling me it's not? Then pretty much it's video. Yeah, there we go. Export class video service, private transformation. Okay. So all we're doing now is importing. Okay. Good. So we're importing shorts. Is short. So we're just using return is short. This actually makes much more sense. Windsurf. Somebody else told me about windsurf. I think I tried it before and I didn't like it as much. I can't remember though. Like it's been a little while. I'm pretty happy with Cursor, to be honest. Like why do you think it's better? Okay, whoops, sorry guys, back again. All right, what the hell was I doing? Yes, long form. Okay, so we updated the service. Update the API request. This should probably be in the YouTube. Oh, it's in the client? Is it really? Make this a little bigger so I can actually see it. Where is YouTube TS? I thought it's YouTube search response, channel response. And get video details. Yeah. Okay. Well, if you guys can hear that, that's our foster dog, who is now becoming apparently our permanent dog. Okay. So the only thing we're changing here is status? Yeah. Content details, statistics, status. Okay. I guess so. I guess that is it. Okay. Slash videos. Wait. No. Construction video details equals. Yeah, where is this? Video ID, search response. Okay, so we did. Okay, all right, so we have that. And now we also need. I think that was it actually. So we did that. We did that. So we updated the response. Did that. Okay, let's actually see if this made anything better. And we probably need to pull another channel. Let's see. Who do we want to look at? Josh. Yeah, and actually also need to improve so if it's not sure about it, it'll pull up a list of channels, obviously, but oh, what error? Oh yeah, hydration, that's fine. We can just reload and it's fine. Or should be able to. So pretty clearly that's a short. I'm wondering, let's pull up a random channel. Let's see. Anybody have a random channel in mind? Let's go tennis. I don't know. Let's see what comes up. All right, here you go. Okay, so maybe, except clearly that's got to be a short, right? So what's this channel? It's essential tennis. Videos. and shorts. I mean, I had hit heavy flat 1 year ago. Okay, so that's definitely not most recent, buddy. So we got some issues here, it feels like. When was this?
The reason why
details, maybe description, December 11th. Yeah, we're not pulling the correct things here. Okay. So let's see. Are we actually pulling how to break out of backhand jail? And actually, probably just need to implement the search. This is how you improve. I don't even see it, which is problematic. Backhand. And again, 1 year ago, is this the correct channel? It's got to be, right? I mean, it's very possible. It's videos at Essential Tennis, but the channel, yeah, at Essential Tennis. Okay, so 3 days ago, hidden shoulder tip. So why are we pulling? Okay, so we are. This is 3 days ago, but then we go to a year ago. Okay, so now we have a deeper issue, which is fun. So now we got to figure out which 50 videos or actually it's 100 videos that we're pulling. So yeah, order date. Does not make sense. I mean, we're starting to get better, but also we're only pulling 50 when we should be pulling 100. Let's start a new chat. Okay. Several issues. We'll go through them step by step. First, we're only pulling 50 videos for a channel. It's supposed to be 100. Evaluate this and explain in detail. Second, starting with the first issue, unless you evaluate and deem that they are related. Second, it appears that the videos we are getting are not the most recent 100. Third, am I using the YouTube API? Yes, I'm using the YouTube API. But actually, there's no way in the YouTube API to identify shorts, which is interesting. You'd think there would be, unless you know something about it that I don't, which would be awesome. I'll take it. Seems we're still not correctly identifying all shorts. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna do one at a time, probably, hopefully. Yeah, I mean, I could scrape this directly, but it doesn't seem like the best route to go. I think we can probably just define parameters around how we identify the shorts. Uh, Otherwise, it's a ton. Like, I would have to go scrape every channel, and I feel like that's not the right approach here. Um, Especially not when we can do it programmatically with the API. At least that's my feeling so far. Okay, we're setting API calls. Fixed route only getting 50 the implement. Okay, so let's first take a look at this. 2 relevant implementations. Yeah, YouTube TS. Yep, this all looks good. Except max results. And in the main channel implementation. Okay, so in the client. In the client, I think we're getting 100 here. So we can see that max results here are 100. And again here, max results 100. Okay. Max results is being set to 50. So here, when you get channel videos, the max results should be 100. Oh, is it even up here? Did I miss? Get channel videos. Channel string ID, options. So we're adding in max results, published date, okay. All right, let's apply this. This makes sense to me. So I'm gonna accept that. Yes, we probably need to do that. Okay, so we're adding the correct imports, and there's still something else here. Fix in chat. Max results sort by, okay, so we're not actually, Yeah, I know. All right, I don't know why this is taking so long. Let's try this again. Probably actually just need to use it. Yeah, exactly. Do we actually need to use it in our sorting options or not? I'm thinking we actually do need to use this, but remember we want to sort by these and type in the client implementation. Yeah, okay. I mean, I guess we can just delete it for now. Let's see what happens. It should be okay. Why do we still have an error? What's the problem, dude? Video sort by. It's actually just a different issue. Okay. We're trying to accomplish. We need to have a max to get 100 of the most recent videos and sort long versus short. Are we sure that we don't need this, or does it need to be moved to file? Okay. That's the one thing with AI, man. Like, there's a lot of... Okay. Video channels, same exists in... Okay. Fine. So. Okay, that's fine. Client side. Okay. And keep the one in YouTube indexed to yes. Okay. I'm good with that then. But now, I believe we can get rid of the sort by here. Yeah, I mean this we should probably, I think we can just get rid of that. It should be okay. Alright. Let's see what happens here, if anything changes. I'm thinking not. Let's pull another channel, because we're caching things. Like, I'd have to go back and delete a bunch of stuff. So let's try something else. Let's do another tennis channel, why not? Let's see what tennis comes up with. Okay. Zero shorts, really? Okay, 6 hours ago, 3 days ago. So all of this actually looks pretty reasonable in terms of how we're... Yeah, okay, so we're good there. But zero shorts, really? Let's take a look. And we have to add in links for all this stuff. Like, but it's a process. Getting better. Intuitive tennis. All right, intuitive tennis. Do we have shorts? Of course we do, and we're not pulling them. Okay, so we gotta figure this out. Unless they're just old. Which is possible. Oops. Description. February 1st, 21. Okay, so that's realistic that we didn't actually have any shorts on this channel. So we need a different channel, some shorts. What else? Should we stick with tennis? I don't know. Let's go. Let's do something else. Do we have shorts on this channel? Zero shorts again. Come on, dude. Really? All right. I need. Let's try. Rock climbing. Let's see what comes up. Skills for climbing, why not? Seems like, okay, so 8,000 subs. Again, zero shorts. It feels like we have a problem with what I'm scraping. But we'll see. Okay, come on. Really? Okay, I guess not. All right. I need a channel with some shorts. Let's do. Except it's not warehouse, but you get the idea. Here we go. Tennis warehouse. Shorts. Do we actually have some shorts? I figured we would.
They want more pop. Like, how can I get more out of the string?
Description. When was this published, buddy? 20 hours ago. Okay. In this case, let's go back. Tennis warehouse. All right. There we go. Now, 4 shorts. Okay. But 20 hours ago, 2 years ago. How does that make sense? That just doesn't. And also here, a day ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 6 and then a year. A day, 3 days, 4 years ago, 4 days ago. Yeah. Very confusing as to why this actually, because there's a method here. Like this should be easy to sort by the date. I'm just going to take a screenshot and just drop that. Then we'll take a screenshot of what we have, which obviously is not correct. Okay, and then we'll evaluate this again. These screenshots are of the same channel. One is from our interface, the other is from YouTube. The videos collected are discrepant. We need to make sure that we're collecting the 100 most recent videos first, then we can collect more later. What we pull should match the order in which, or should match what is in the channel. This includes shorts and longs. Okay. Still a max results issue, perhaps. All right, let's make this a little bigger so we can actually see again. There we go. Okay, so, and I feel like it's kind of important to actually understand this a bit before we actually blindly just say, okay. Filtering case 1, no cache exists, right? Regular updates. Operations, yeah, this all makes sense to me. I think that's what we did first. Most recent 100 videos. So what is the difference here in client TS? Call properly handle entry results, okay. Okay, let's try this again. So let's apply this. So what are we doing here? Minimum results, yes. Order, date, most recent first. So that actually is the same exact thing. But now, so here we're just saying we're handling that. Okay. I'm not convinced that this is the issue. And we actually have another issue anyway. Okay. Property page info. Ah. I actually dislike that they automatically make it concise. Oh, okay. Makes sense. Okay, let's try this. Let's reload. Maybe, but I'm thinking, yeah, this is probably just not gonna work anyhow, because we're probably caching this already. So I'm wondering, all right, let's just pull a new channel again. What else? Let's look. Let's go back to some chess. Why not? All right, chess.com. Let's see what you're actually doing. So it's at chess, huh? Not bad. Not bad, chess.com. I must have looked at this already. I'm sure, because I'm sure they have shorts, like 100% sure. We may need to just do something else entirely. What haven't I looked at? Let's do something entirely random. Let's try soccer. Okay. 2017. 6 days, 1 week, 1 week. This seems legit. And then 3 months, 6, 7, 7. That's fine. Let's just do this. It doesn't actually matter. Come on, buddy. All right. We're going to just, for now, this is driving me a bit nuts. Let's just manage this, and we will turn this off for a moment. Okay. Why is this actually not giving me the channel that I want? Should be that. All right. Okay, apparently soccer time is actually something. Except long form. Some of these look like shorts, man. But okay, at least we're maybe fetching some of this stuff. So let's look up soccer time 08. I'm gonna have to actually want this to display a bit better. So we always get the pull down menu. Here we go, soccer time. 39 subs, 98 videos. These are definitely shorts, dude. But okay, let's take a look at the videos. 1 month, 1 month, 1 month. Okay, so we kind of are. And if we look at the shorts, it's probably realistic. This last one, Lucy Mad Hussein. Okay, so this actually looks correct, which is nice. So we're finally getting somewhere in terms of pulling the right stuff. Now we just have to help figure out that this is a short, and it's odd to me that we're not doing this correctly. There's a pretty clear way to do this, I think. But how many did I pull? Okay, still 50. All right, so let's try this again. So looks like the order worked, but still only, and I think pulling 50 videos. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I mean, I suppose that's fine. We can figure it out, but I wonder if there's a YouTube API limit. Maybe there is. Let's just let's try. How many videos can I fetch at a time from YouTube API v3? Okay. Well, that makes sense then. So I'm limiting it 100, but YouTube API is saying no. Okay, so we'll pull 50 at first. Issue YouTube API only lets us pull 50 results max in one call. I think back to 50 and back to 50. Okay. I mean, I could make more calls, I suppose. Like, that would make some sense, but... yeah. 50, 50, accept. And I could go search for this, but it's pretty good. Max results 50. Stop it. Accept. And also retry. Okay, accept. This should probably be fine. Okay, so now we're pulling 50 videos, which is great. Well, not great. I should eventually we'll do more, but I think it's okay. Like, let's yeah, well, no, we don't actually need pagination. We need another call, but okay. Next page token. I see what they're saying. Got it. Yeah. All right, so that's fine. So we're good here. So this should still just be 50. All right, now we've got to work on the shorts issue. So we're still not pulling the shorts correctly. All right, so let's see actually. I want to identify, and let's change the model. YouTube Shorts. List the most reliable way of doing this. Currently, actually, Give me 5 options with backup methods. I feel like ChatGPT sometimes, and I'm using Claude actually in this chat, so I could use ChatGPT, but I feel like we often get different kind of responses, and it's better to use a couple different, like Claude, a couple different LLMs and ChatGPT together for this. Yes, I know they're not officially supported. That's the problem. Yeah, so this is very similar to, I think, what we're doing. Okay. Yeah, the aspect ratio, right? Makes sense. Well, you really? That is so strange that we don't get ratio data? That is so strange. Yeah, Shorts playlist is auto-created by YouTube. Identify videos. Okay, so that's something I don't know if we're doing yet. Directly fetch the video's watch page. I mean, yeah. Can we directly get the video path from the API? Because honestly, most of these, really, okay. I'm super curious to see how other people are doing this. Alright, well, let's change the model again. How doing this? Search and write the suggestions. Yeah, I don't really want to scrape it. No, to how are others identifying shorts using the API? Oops. Or evaluating the data pulled from the API to ID shorts. Yeah, message. Let's see. Have some passed out dogs apparently, which was nice because they were being super nuts this morning. Alright, let's see what ChatGPT actually says here. Because apparently, like, you would think this would be the easiest thing since, like, shorts are what YouTube has been pushing for a long time, but okay, video duration, that's what we're doing. Hashtag inspection, I can't recall, but I think yes. Again, that's fine, but we can't. Yeah. Oh, vetted. Okay, so this is interesting. Maybe we do need to look at the metadata of the video. Like, maybe that's just the way to do this. Playlist, alright, that's probably fair. Determination short section. Okay, that should actually be... Yeah, that's interesting. Let's do this. Let's capture this and input it here. Okay, so we're done with that. We're done with the videos. Let's do this. So still have an issue IDing with shorts. Incorrectly categorized. Here are multiple approaches that we need. And that's, if you guys heard the dog, oh man, she's a handful. Approaches we need to implement to make this more reliable. Let's take this step by step. Stop. Okay, so we already have some shorts detection in the code. Analyze it, then go step by step. Okay. Okay. So this is what we're currently doing. Like, we're trying to do a lot of this, but okay. I mean, let's improve the duration parsing. Yeah. Okay. So let's look at this. Let's see what we're recommending we do. Okay, so we're doing that. That's fine. That will make sense. And then duration check. What? Why is this not here? Parse duration, function part. Oh, okay, and then we're doing parse duration, video duration is 0 less than or equal to 60. No, I think we're just probably going to do less than 60, I would imagine. I'll accept that, but I have to, in fact, let's just less than 60. And then enhanced metadata. Okay. Title. Text includes shorts, fine. But did we not do the same thing here? Description. Okay, so we're just, I see. Yeah, I mean, it's maybe improved. Thumbnail is vertical thumbnail, fine. Confidence scoring. Okay, this makes more sense. I'm gonna accept this, but I don't actually know. Okay. How do we fetch the metadata from each video? Okay, video list endpoint. Snippet context details statistics. Okay. Yeah, but okay. No, maybe that's. What other? Could help ID a short. Alright, I'm gonna mute this for a moment since again, dogs. Okay, there we go. Now they're calming down again. It's our little red one over here. She entices the other ones to bark. Okay, so here we go. All right, so we can analyze all of this. I think we're doing this, but let's, yeah. Just make sure we're doing all of the following. Oops, and we're gonna pause just a moment. I gotta figure out the puppy situation. And I'll be back. Okay. Yeah, I know, puppy. And it's even more fun that I don't have my own office at the moment. But you know, well, getting that figured out too eventually. All right, so let's take a look and see. So now, all these fields. Here's the improved implementation. Okay, so let's see what it actually recommended.
Say puppies being puppies. Alexa, living room off.
Should this be under 60 seconds or less or equal to? Well, I guess it's saying, okay, I mean, it is less than or equal to, which is fine. Okay, so we have a new shorts implementation, which hopefully will work. Again, I actually don't know if this is going to work here. Yeah, probably not because I need a new channel again. Let's try another channel. Let's see. Okay, let's do. Here we go. This guy. No. What haven't I done? I don't know. Okay, this guy. Why not?
Looking for great wines?
Educated barfly. Let's get rid of that. The educated barfly.
One of the main questions that I get on this channel.
Let's make sure he has some shorts. Do you have shorts? Yes, you do, which is perfect for us.
So this.
Okay, so this is 3 hours ago. He has shorts, he has lots of videos, so this is a perfect channel. Let's look him up. Educated barfly. That's actually what I want to happen all the time, so we'll have to update that logic as well. Come on, dude. Seriously, though? So we pulled 50 videos, but I mean, that's obviously, it's like we made the short detection worse. All right, let's go through what it's actually doing here again. Let's make sure this makes a lot of sense. Okay, so duration, dimension, definition, okay, thumbnails, all of this stuff. So we're going to parse the duration. Again, this all makes sense. Details, let short score equal 0. Short threshold is 5. Minimum threshold to be considered a short. I'm wondering if we should probably take that down. Like, I'm wondering if we're actually being too stringent here. Because frankly, if it's under 60 seconds, like, it's probably a short. I mean, who's publishing a YouTube video that's less than 60 seconds? I'm thinking that that's probably fine. If it has a short score, so the metadata here. So let's take a look at this. Let's look at the description. Okay, so there's definitely no, it doesn't say shorts, it just says 7 sins. Obviously the URL would help, and maybe there's a better way to do that. Okay, because we're clearly not getting that, right? Aspect ratio check, which that you would think would actually work. So I'm wondering why. I wonder if that aspect ratio check is correct. What's the aspect ratio for a short thumbnail? Yeah, I'm thinking, but we're gonna update this, I think, because. All right, so also category check, shorts category. The shorts category is also probably not what we need here. Okay, this I'm gonna check on. I'm not quite sure what that does. Yeah. Why do we give a shit about view counts here? I'm very curious. I don't actually understand. Views per hour significantly high. That's actually quite interesting. I hadn't even thought about that, but I don't know if I even like it. Or aspect ratio correct. Yeah. Actually, okay, so yeah, this is right. Shorts. So we're doing this. This is correct. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so a little bit better here. I think also these views per hour, I'm not so sure about that. I think probably we need to delete that. Also, explain the shorts categories and why they were picked. Seems incorrect. I mean, if that's actually true, it's just people, blogs, comedy, entertainment. I don't know why that would be more likely to have a short than not. Yeah. Yes, revise. The most weight should be given to videos under 60 seconds or under. Let's see, actually. What percent of YouTube videos are not shorts and under 60 seconds? YouTube. There we go. I feel like it's got to be so low. Like, I almost think I could cut this down to a tiny, like, probably a tiny percent. Over 50. Okay, fine. Yeah. I'm guessing that if it's under 60 seconds, it's a short, like 99% of the time. %, of the time, if it's under 60, if it's 60 seconds or less, it's a short. All right. So we're going to optimize for that. And I think that should take care of most of our issues, frankly. It's trying to do all these complex things when actually it's like, if it's under 60 seconds, yeah, all right, if I get it wrong, it still feels like a short. And all this other stuff is kind of backup. primarily duration. All right, let's see what it actually ended up doing here, because yeah, shorts threshold is 7. Fine. If it's under 60, if it's equal or 60 seconds, it's an 8. All right, so basically we're saying like anything that's under 60 seconds is a short, which is fine. Which probably I could have gotten away with just doing that. But let's see if I reload this. Again, this is cached, so I'm thinking it may not actually work this way. Yeah, so let's try another channel. Anybody have a channel? Yeah, so Eva, this is aimed at creators, right? So myself included, actually, is something I'm going to be using more and more, and just building it in public for everybody. And you know, it'll be interesting to see feedback and get more people to use the product. Now it is actually live. There's a basic version of this at getfuse.io, and we're working on the development version of it. Again, it's like in beta. We have a roadmap here that you guys can all come check out if you want to. So basically right now we're in progress on showing videos from the creators channel, and well, actually I think I did this. It's actually probably more of the advanced YouTube metrics that we're on, but I want to enhance the video sorting first, because actually we need to identify shorts so that we can map out like how often do people actually create shorts, what are their results with it versus creating longer videos, and what are they doing about it. And we can then figure out some outliers and patterns and things like that. I mean, obviously it's more complicated, but ultimately we want to be able to help people understand like what content of theirs and also their competitors or other large YouTubers get results, and get results faster for them. So frankly, I have to be doing more of this too, but actually I'm building this tools to make this easier for me to do as well. Okay, so let's get back to it. Let's try another whiskey. Why not? Bon Appetit has to have a lot of stuff, I would imagine. Do you have shorts, and when was your last one? I'm gonna guess yes. Let's take a look.
So this
Description, when was this uploaded? Oh wow, October 30th. They probably, I wonder how many videos they have had. If they've had 50 since October, November, December, it's vaguely possible. And actually, how many videos do you guys have? Let's see. Okay, it's possible 2 weeks, 1 month. No, I'm gonna guess. Yeah, it's okay. All right, so let's search another channel. Bon appetit. Oh, whoops. Well, you guys can see actually that we don't even have the short sorting here. So that's what we're currently working on, of course. Although this is pulling correctly, which is nice. So let's get rid of that. Okay. Hey, we may actually have done this pretty well. Okay. It looks pretty darn good that we're... Well, let's take a look. We'll go side by side. Okay, an hour, 5 days. Come on, dude. Why did we miss these? 12 days ago. 13 days ago, 2 weeks ago, and now we're at 2 months. Are they randomly listed as shorts? And the shorts are from a year ago. and we're supposed to be getting most recent. Well, I think you guys can see it's always interesting. And actually, I think we misidentified some of these. Why would that be? Let's see. I mean, let's take a look. I mean, it's impossible for this. Oh, is this actually a short? It's vaguely possible. It's 50 seconds. That's exactly why.
I'm about to make some Dakar spice to give that extra kick.
This actually kind of is a short. Very interesting. Okay, so it's not wrong necessarily. I think we're okay enough with this. I mean, that's basically what they did here. But again, the sorting right now, and I don't know why we're pulling. Just go with this, and then we'll back up. And we'll take a look at videos again. Let's get rid of that. Okay. So alright, let's start a new chat here. Actually, no, I lied, because actually we have some context here we should keep. Alright, have a good night. What am I trying to do? Okay, short detection is okay for now, but we're still not pulling and sorting the videos correctly. We need to pull the most recent 50 first. Attaching two images. One is of the fuse order. Other is from the channel. There are more recent videos that we're missing. Okay. And I didn't accidentally, no, this is on most recent. Unless somehow, no. I should probably stop obfuscating this for myself for now. I'm thinking. Unless we are pulling in the right videos, but not sorting correctly. Evaluate and explain in detail before proceeding. Okay, so let's attach screenshots. Boink, and this one. Okay, let's try it. Yes. Yeah, we're limited to 50, correct. Okay. Yeah, eventually we're gonna get more. Let's fix this first before we implement pagination to get more than 50 videos. Again, should be getting the most recent 50, so these initial results should match. Oh my goodness. You guys probably, I'm hoping you can't hear, actually. You're just so nutso with the neighbor's dog, too. She's a good little puppy, but, man, handful. Okay. Okay, that's fair. Alright. Fetch optimized videos. Is this right? Video TS? I think so. Regular update. Okay, so let's accept this. And then also the video cache. TS. Let's apply this. Historical update. New videos for each. Okay. This actually does make some sense. And now let's just fix this. Days between. Where's days between? You probably can get rid of that, I'm guessing. Okay, they're going absolutely nuts. Sorry, guys. Give me a moment. Come in, guys. Who wants a treat? Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. We can just delete that. Okay, done. And now, let's take a look. Preserve the original order. So we actually probably have to set this. New videos for each of historical video, video ID, video short. False. Wait. Yeah, video cache entry and original index type. Yeah, video extends video detail. Okay. Accept. Accept now. Yeah, that made sense to me. Why is this not video types TS? Wait a minute. Needs to update the video cache entry. Add original index to interface types. Yeah, that's exactly what we just did. Video TS. Fine. Insert services. So let's. Can we reload? Is that going to help? No. I'm wondering, yeah, I don't know. Let's see if this actually has an issue now or not. Thinking it shouldn't. Just didn't want to update. So let's try this again. And then probably gotta head out for a moment. All right, terminal. npm run dev. Okay. Oh no, still an issue. Shoot. Okay, so there is something there. I thought we already did. Video cache schema, which we did not do. Okay. Makes some sense. Okay, now let's try this again. Hoping that this actually works. It's taking a little while. And actually, I think I added some debugging. So here we go. Yeah. Why are we still loading, guys? What did I break? Okay, there we go. Except, okay. No. All right, I'm gonna try a new channel just again to see. What's happening here? Let's go with, I don't know, let's find a channel that we can actually do this with. Let's see a different channel. How about, I don't know. Here we go. Do a search. All right, dude, you're up. First, fill whiskey. Let's see your shorts. Now the question is,
why does whiskey taste so?
I think we're just being slow because of December 2nd. All right, this should work then. Let's try this. I think we're just being slow because we're pulling a lot of, because we got OBS, we've got a bunch of other stuff. Okay, Shorts 16. And again, a little bit of a failure, it looks like.
This is one of my favorite rides on the entire planet.
Not what I want.
Why does whiskey taste so disgusting, and why can't I
Okay, so now in shorts, what do we have? How to taste whiskey. Oh no, that is. Okay, 9,000. Can you improve? 5 must have single malt. Okay, we're getting pretty good here. What's the last one here? OSWAS. I have no idea. Best value whiskey, OSWAS. Okay, pretty sweet. Now let's take a look at the actual videos. I think we may have actually done this, which is great. So we were basically just how we were sorting them on our end didn't make any sense, which, okay, fair enough. I don't know if I actually want to display the number here, but that's okay. That's very, very minor. And then let's see. Video performance, most recent. Oh, come on, dude. 4 days ago. Oh, wait. Why do I have... From Pete to Sherry, 0 views. Oh, interesting. I wonder... Huh. That's so interesting. Like, it must have been created, but it looks okay, mostly. Yeah, these live streams, that's so interesting, actually. Because here, like, they're essentially in order. Because we have not this, then we have Are They Worth It? And then we have this, like, live streaming Whiskey Olympics. But I wonder, it probably took, so if they're under live, yeah, okay. That is super interesting. I didn't realize that we're actually categorized into the live channel here, and then we're pulling that. I don't mind this, actually. Okay, cool. I think this works. All right, sweet. So actually, I'm pretty happy. Let's make sure here if we can change to views. Everything seems fine. Yep. That all looks correct. This all looks good. And back to most recent, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yep. Okay. Sweet. Well, that actually makes me pretty happy. Feels like I actually did accomplish a little bit here, which is cool. And what's next here? I'm trying to think. I actually don't know. Let's quickly... Oops. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to get to my apps and Fuse roadmap. Let's see what is under here. Advanced YouTube engagement metrics. So let's see. And actually, I didn't have this. Better sorting for videos. And the new item here is actually search for a video. And I mean, I guess advanced YouTube engagement metrics actually is not the correct. But I guess it's close enough here for that. I'm just gonna keep adding in. It's fine. So better search for a video. what am I trying to do here? There's one other piece that I'm just absolutely blanking on. And hang on. Search for a video, shorts, longs, that's correct. Oh yeah. Trending. So it's in 24 hours. Because this one actually is interesting because first of all it tells you what's going on, and then the things that do well in the first 24 hours I think tend to do the best. And so then we have sorting, of course, by most recent and views. So, but what about like seeing what sucks? What sucked? So let's call it least popular maybe? But actually, well, maybe call it what sucked. I don't know. I think that's pretty solid for videos, I think. And then we'll have to add other things in here. Like we'll probably add in, so some of my so we have to improve, so improve category selection and performance. Performance. Then the other thing we've got to do is we want to add in similar channels, except I didn't spell that correctly. Channels. What else? I think that's probably okay for now, I'm thinking. Because we have essentially channel subs and views. Oh yeah, we also wanted to add in video long and short drops in timeline. This is actually growth trends graph. Yeah, okay, so we have better sorting for videos, which actually basically have done, or this is like well, it's not launched. Let's just call it here. This is up next. I actually don't love, because I didn't actually create this as well as it should have been. This was kind of a roadmap automatically that I kind of adapted. Let's see, anybody else in chat? Okay, so probably need to go over this. I actually think I don't need InDesign. I mean, this really isn't InDesign, but okay. I mean, it's just a search, so let's call it it's not an idea, it's not on hold either, it's like up next basically. Don't really need a one-pager for this. Let's call it up next. This is what I want to do next, search for a video. I don't think that's actually going to be too intensive. I already have a search bar, I have the component, I have already all of this stuff. Let's also dude, I need my timeline. Why do I not see? Yeah, there's got to be. No, I don't need this. I just need to see it. Estimated completion date is probably here. No, come on, open this. There's got to be, I mean, here we go, 13 more properties. Date range. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So it's probably starting here. I imagine I can complete this by tomorrow. Oops, include the end date. I'm gonna, ideally, let's do this tomorrow. By tomorrow, or maybe even today. No, we're not blocked by anything. And then I think trending probably can be done pretty quickly as well, I think. But actually, I wonder what's better. This is interesting. Anyway, okay, so what do we need here? Trending, what's least popular? I think category performance is probably pretty good. Adding similar channels matters. Yeah, I think after that we're gonna do. Yeah, I want to do improve category performance, although these are probably pretty low-hanging fruit. All right, so let's try to do these three things. We're gonna do this, this, and this, and we're gonna call these done by tomorrow at some point. So let's, again, same date range. Okay, and then same thing, what sucked? Today and tomorrow. Oops, oops, oops. Nope. Come on. Include end date. Yeah, tomorrow's okay. I'll have enough time to do these, I think. Alright, so these seem fine. And we'll do these three things next. Project timelines. Should actually see... Oh, it's so strange that's... Okay, so they had it set up a little differently than I actually want to have it here. One hidden group. Yeah, okay. I'll have to just redo this a bit, and that's fine. Well, let's try timeline again, but I mean, yeah, the problem here is I actually want to do it by, how do we filter this? Properties, date range, I think. Layout timeline, customize settings. Nope, not what I want. Filter maybe. Date range. This month. Huh. No. Stop this, dude. That is so strange. Click to add to timeline. No date. That's not at all what we're supposed to be doing. Okay, this month. Is this just today? I mean, I did add things in this, I don't know. Don't actually use this as much as I maybe should, but okay. Jesus, just because we don't have that open. All right, let's see if that actually happens here as well. Maybe I don't need anything. No, this is Q1, Q whatever. I actually don't even like this view. Let's just delete the view. Yeah, I don't care. So I like my table, I like my timeline, I like my list and my board. for right now, it's pretty much me. So, okay, so timeline, cool, search for a video. All right, this is much nicer. So now we have a better idea of what's going on. I can also plan out a little further, incremental steps here. So, sweet. I think that's it for right now. Probably back on later today and finishing some of this up. I will see you guys all later.